to my future employer. I am Giselle Valentin, 32 years old from Davao City, Philippines. I am a high school graduate and a single mother of two kids, ages 12 years old boy and a 6 years old girl. I have work experience here in Philippines as a nanny and housekeeper. I serve four members of the family, two adults and two kids. My main duty and responsibility is to take good care of the kids and preparing their needs for school. I was also the one to send them and fetch them after school. I do also the household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and washing dishes. Mom and sir, if you hire me, I will do my very best to take good care of your kids and household as well. I can assure you that I am trustworthy, hardworking, and I can work with minimal supervision. Thank you so much.